you get that? They actually had something on sale last week, which was amazing. Believe it or not, most of it's on sale. So just in case you're shopping for that special someone, or maybe you had a run-in with someone on the sale rack and they took the exact thing that you wanted. What's the answer? Hey everybody, Robin here, your go-to Charleston real estate agent. Welcome back to the channel. I specialize in Mount Pleasant, so today we are going to be talking about everything Mount Pleasant Christmas festivities, and we are starting right here in the Mount Pleasant Town Center Mall. And this is one of my favorite stores right behind me, Palmetto Moon. They have everything Charleston. If you're a Clemson fan, if you are a Carolina fan, if you want the latest and greatest shoes, sunglasses, belts, everything Southern charm, this is the place that you want to go right there. So let's talk gifts. The Mount Pleasant Town Center Mall has 65 plus restaurants, shops. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, trendy, comfy, or even splurge-worthy, there is something for everyone. This is one of my favorite places. This is Lily Pulitzer. It has the bright Charleston colors. It has resort wear, and they actually had something on sale last week, which was amazing because Lily never goes on sale, so check it out. And one of the cool things about Lily Pulitzer is it is right here inside Belk. And if you're not from the South, you may not even know what Belk is, but it is our department store, kind of like Macy's. And inside Belk, you're gonna have Vineyard Vines, Free People, Crown and Ivy, Tommy Bahama. You're gonna have DKNY. And believe it or not, most of it's on sale. And if you want last minute Christmas gifts, this is an incredible location. So not only does the town center have all of the name brand stores, it even has local curated boutiques. This one right behind me, Millie Lynn, was voted Charleston's best boutique in 2024. So I'm outside of the Buford Bonnet Company, and if you have little kids and you are looking for some of the most beautiful clothing, do not miss this boutique. You are going to find something that is absolutely perfect for the holidays, and everyone is going to go, oh, where did you get that? So shopping is always better with a little bit of wine, right? You always buy more. You're happy about your purchases. So in case you're shopping at the Town Center Mall and you just want to have a glass of wine in the middle of the day just to make your shopping that much brighter, or maybe you had a run-in with someone on the sale rack and they took the exact thing that you wanted. What's the answer? Savvy! They have some fantastic wine. They actually have it at the bar on tap. They have a beautiful wine list. They serve lunch and dinner. So it's just a great place to end the day after you spent a ton of money. Go and spend some good money on food and wine. In case you're shopping for someone you don't know their size, you're not sure what they like, Lush here is a great option. They have bath sets, they have bath bombs, candles. Everything smells fantastic and is a great way to feel warm and cozy this holiday season. Another great idea for somebody you're just not sure what to get them is right here at Barnes & Noble. Not only do they have books, they have magazines, they have records, and they have a fantastic coffee shop. Just grab a little Starbucks on the way in case you're a little chilly. To me, this is the perfect place for an academic, a young child, just a wonderful place to spend. So just in case you're shopping for that special someone, Victoria's Secret. So every now and then people ask me where I buy my clothes, and this is what I call my mothership, right? This is Black House White Market. And I always get coupons, and they do actually have some great sales this time of year, so swing in. It's not all professional clothing, some of it's super funky, and if you haven't tried their curved jeans, you are missing out. I know you guys can't smell it right now, but the aroma from Grimaldi's Pizza right there is killing me, so gotta go. Bye. So now that I've shown you some of the shopping highlights, let's talk about how Mount Pleasant brings all of the holiday magic in our festivities. From late November to December 24th, you can get pictures with Santa right here. It is a great opportunity for family photos as well. If you're looking for something unique, the Mount Pleasant Holiday Craft Show is the place. From the name, you can tell it has local artists and bespoke items. For a classic holiday town vibe, don't miss the Mount Pleasant Holiday Light Parade. This goes right down Coleman Boulevard There are floats from all over, and Santa is even in a fire truck. So thanks for coming along with me on my tour of the Mount Pleasant Town Center Mall and hitting all of my favorite spots. I hope you got some great advice on what to do with your family this holiday season. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in Mount Pleasant, feel free to give me a call. All my contact information is down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. They have bat bombs. They have bat bombs. Now that I've shown you some of the, I just lost it.